Alexa, where's my stuff?
One shipment was delivered from Mike today.
Hey guys, Mike Moo here. We are doing a quick unboxing of the Amazon Alexa Echo Frames. Echo Frames, yeah. So these are by invitation only. They will run $179. What's included: a pair of Echo frames, the non-corrective lenses, carry case, cleaning cloth, power adapter, and charging cable. So here's what you need. You need a compatible smartphone with Wi-Fi mobile data connection and Bluetooth connection. Keep in mind, these are first day edition ones. Basically, you are getting this as an experimental device, right? So we don't know when the final versions or final firmware are going to be out. So if you want to be an early adopter, you can go ahead and click that link down below and request an invitation. So, important to note, at this time, January 15, 2020, these are only compatible with Android devices. Okay, so if you have an iPhone, I don't think they have that software or connection with it yet, so definitely keep that in mind. All right, nice black box. This is not, it's got like a suede type of feel to it. I kind of like that. But anyway, it's just some sort of impression that you are definitely getting something more special than a regular Echo device. All right, so there is this. You know what? I am just going to go ahead and bust out a knife and cut right through that bad boy. There we go. Cut. Okay. Ooh, look at these. They only come in one style, and any color as long as you like black. First impressions. They actually feel like really cheap glasses. So, yeah, that's pretty plasticky. I guess all the money, of course, that you pay for goes into the details of the actual electronics in the unit. Here, looks like you got magnetic Pogo type pin charging interface cable here. You got some buttons over here to turn it on and off, and probably this is on the left side, by the way, when you're wearing it. It looks like I just powered it on. And yeah, okay. You hear that? It's actually speaking through the speakers out here. So the speakers come out through these two holes over here on the side, and I see a little light over there saying it's in its pairing mode. And it says over here Echo Frames, along with a model number GR798R. So it's already in pairing mode once I press the button. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Very nice. Wow, this is a really hefty, this is much better built than the glasses are. Hefty container box that has what appears to be well packaged cleaning cloths. Okay, that's nice. You have the regular Amazon Echo power plug. This looks like it's the same one that is provided in all the Amazon Alexa devices. Then you have the proprietary charging cable. Now these are, of course, proprietary, like I said, and if you need an extra set or if you lose these are going to be $15. Replacement. So if you think that you want to charge in a few different places, you should probably get a few of these cables right when you order it. Now, interestingly enough, there is a protection plan that they will try to sell you on it, and seeing that this is pretty chintzy, I mean, I have to say, might want to get that. Yeah, you might want to get that. This is definitely not something that feels like it's going to survive someone stepping on it. Okay, so you can change these glasses with prescription glasses, of course, like it said, and I think the rest of the setup is all through the Amazon Echo app on the phone. Let's see what we have down here. Follow these 3 steps to get connected. Step 1, fully charge. Step 2, download the Amazon Alexa app, and step 3, complete the in-app setup. Take me to your optician. To get prescription lenses, to have your frames adjusted, take this card, and it will have the information on here to properly adjust it. So that includes not using any heat from this side forward, heat in the back, okay, to adjust the temples. Cold mount only, do not heat. It's not waterproof. Hold firmly to adjust. No ultrasonic cleaners. You can't submerge lenses. Heat is okay on the temple tips up to 100 to 120 degrees. Please don't use pliers. That's good information to have and note. You will definitely want to send these in with your optician when you get new prescription glasses. Then there's going to be a whole user guide which goes over some of the different things going on in there. So we'll go over those a little bit later after I get a chance to go ahead and set these up and try them out. So that's it for this unboxing. Please give it a like, subscribe for more, and let me know what else you want me to see or try. I'll try my best to go ahead and give a follow-up update a week later. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.